Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports eSIM and by getting the QR or activation code. This is essential because activation needs provider data. Once done, update the phone and enable Wi-Fi to download the profile reliably. Now go to Settings, then Connections and SIM Card Manager. Tap Add Mobile Plan. You do the first scan or enter details immediately because the system fetches the operator profile right away. This minimizes errors and speeds. You scan the QR or manually type the SMDP plus address and activation code. This downloads the operator profile, which is why accurate entry matters. Once the eSIM appears, choose whether it's primary or secondary, then assign data, calls, and SMS. This affects which line uses mobile data and which handles voice. Make sure cellular data is enabled for that profile. If the phone shows provisioning in progress, give it a minute. The system finalizes settings on first network attach. You finish by confirming provisioning. Check signal strength, carrier name, and plan status in settings so you're sure texts and data work. Once confirmed, remove the old physical SIM or switch it off to prevent dual SIM routing conflicts and unexpected charges. If activation fails, reset network settings, reboot, and retry the QR. If that still fails, contact your carrier and provide the phone IMEI plus the eSIM activation code so they can reprovision the profile and resolve backend issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.